Write the degree of the each of the following polynomials. So what is the degree of the polynomial? Before going to know of the degree of the polynomial, first we have to decide the degree of the term. So the power or the exponent of the variable. So it is called as its degree of the term. Here, and the degree of the polynomial is that is the degree of the polynomial is the highest degree of the variable terms. So suppose there are three terms are there, in that which term has the highest degree, that is the degree of that polynomial. Here I am going to explain you. So 7x square cube and plus 5x square plus 2x minus 6, that is the given problem here. First one, 7x cube plus 5x square plus 2x minus 6. This is the given polynomial. Okay, so here this is the polynomial. In this we have to decide the degree of the each term of the polynomial. Here degree of the first term here 7x cube is there. What is the exponent of this x here? 3. So that is the degree of this term. And second x square is there. What is the exponent of x here? 2. So its degree is 2. And x, what is the exponent of x here? 1. So its degree is 1. And 6 is there, it is the constant. Therefore we can write it as x to the power of 0. Its degree is 0. So from this we can understand that this is a polynomial, non-negative integral powers. So next degree of the polynomial. Here the degree of the polynomial, highest degree of the variable terms. Which one is the highest? Here 3. So therefore here we can write degree of the polynomial is 3. Next here 7 minus x plus 3x square. Second one, 7 minus x plus 3x square. Now we have to decide the degrees of each term. First one here you see 7x to the power of 0 minus x to the power of 1 plus 3x square. The degrees of each term here 0, 1 and 2. So highest degree of the terms, variable terms, it is 2. So degree is here, degree is equal to 2. Degree of the polynomial is 2. Next 5p minus root 3. Third one, 5p minus root 3. Here you see the degree of p, you can write 5p to the power of 1 minus root 3 p to the power of 0. So the degree of each term. So degree, if you want to decide the degree of the term, you have to see the exponent of that variable 1 and comma 0. So here degree of is equal to, this polynomial is equal to 1. Degree of the polynomial is 1 only. Next one more you can, here only you can do that. Fourth one, 2 is given. So means we can write 2x to the power of 0. Its degree is here 0 only. So here the degree of this constant one, degree of the constant polynomial is equal to 0. Next last one, fifth one here, that is given minus 5xy square. How we can decide this one? This polynomial has two variables in that. In this actually if you want to decide the degree of the particular term, we have to add the sum of the exponents of the variable factors present in that term. So here I'm going to write degree whenever more than one variables are present in any term. So degree of a term is the sum of powers of the variable factors. Sum of the powers are exponents. Powers are exponents of variable factors. Variable factors present in that term. So here there are two variables are there, x and y. Its power here you see minus 5 x to the power of 1 and y to the power of 2. We have to add the powers of the variables 1 plus 2 and is equal to 3. So degree is equal to degree of this polynomial is equal to 3. Okay, next write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. Just we have to write the coefficients of given polynomial x square coefficient only. So first question here I am going to write in the second first one 15 minus 3x plus 2x square. First we have to identify the x square term. This is the x square term. So the constant that is multiplied by the product of the constant and the variable term, it is together, it is called a term, and this is also the part of the polynomial, part of the algebraic expression. So in this here the coefficient of x square, so that is here the constant that is just before that variable, that is called as the coefficient. So here coefficient of x square is 2. Coefficient of x square is 2. Similarly, next y minus x square or 1 minus x square. 1 minus 1 minus x square not. So here I am going to 1 minus x square. Here you can write here 1 plus minus 1 x square. So what is the coefficient here? Coefficient of x square is equal to minus 1. Okay. Next pi x square. In this first one, second one, third one, pi x square minus 3x plus 5. Here x square coefficient is equal to pi, means 22 by 7. Next fourth one, root 2x square plus 5x minus 1, and x square coefficient is here is equal to root 2. That is the coefficient of x square.